easy to install wall mount electric fireplaces will add that wow factor to your home decor. Choose from our selection of classic finishes such as crystal black glass or natural stone frames. Our fireplaces operate from a standard 120-volt electrical outlet with no venting required. The electric flame operates with or without heat. Remote controlled for adjustable flame operation, each unit outputs 1500 watts on high heat and 750 watts on low heat. For more information, visit our website at mtlmarketingcorp.com.